Yo everybody, welcome back to iStake. And it's been a while since I posted a new video on this channel, and that's because I've been learning lately. Yes, I've been busy learning, and today I'm going to show you another app that gives you PayPal money direct in your PayPal account. I've seen you guys commenting down below that you don't have PayPal accounts. Yeah, don't worry, after this video I'll teach you how to create a verified PayPal account in Ghana. But to begin with, let's start with this video. So if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to leave a comment and a comment down below. Okay, so without wasting much time, let us begin. This is how the app looks like. Okay, yes, this is how it looks like. Yes, CLICK4MONEY, and it is real and it is legit. It really pays through PayPal accounts. And as I told you earlier, I will upload a video on how to create a verified PayPal account in Ghana, so you don't need to worry about your payment method. Okay, so let's open the account right here. Okay, so I already have an account, so I don't need to register. Okay, so if you are new to this app, you will definitely use your Gmail account to register, and this is how it looks like. It is click to open, so you have to click on this, on this box, treasure box, if I put it that way. So when you're clicking on, the numbers will be decreasing, so while you reach 0, the box will definitely open, and whatever in that box is yours. So you should watch this video till the end, because I am going to show you the trick on how to open this box quickly. So, oh gosh, an app is going to pop up. Definitely an ad will pop up. Okay, okay, so you'll be clicking on it like this until it opens. So as I said earlier, watch the video till the end, because I will show you a trick on how to open this box quickly. So the most important thing right here is your diamonds. And how do you request your payment? You can request payment of $8.0, $8.50 with PayPal. If you have 850 diamonds, you cannot make 2 requests at the same time. You must wait to request the process to request to be the process before requesting another. So immediately your diamonds reach 8,500, you can request a payment of, and guys, it is easy to get 8,500 diamonds, very easy. So let's go back, and here is the most important thing, your referral code. Okay, oh shit. Okay, let's read this. Your referral code is this. You can only you can only use one referral code. When you use a referral code, you will receive 50 points, and the person who has invited you will receive 80 points. So in this time, both of you and me will benefit from this referral code. Do you understand? So you will earn 80 points, while I earn 50 points. So please guys, this is the referral code. You need to copy it. Yes, copy the referral code and paste it right here. So after that you will earn 80 points while I earn 50 points right here. So don't forget, I will put the referral code on the description below, so you can copy it and paste it right there. So let's go back here, right here. So you click on this app like this, and I told you that I will show you a trick. Yes, a trick on how to open this box quickly. Oh shit. Okay, so now here is the trick. This is what I use to open the box quickly as I can. I go to Play Store, then I download this app, Auto Clicker. Yes, this is what I use, Auto Clicker. So I open the Auto Clicker, then I open the multi target mode. So I enable the multi target mode. Yes, so I come back right here, open CLICK4MONEY. I set one here, one here, one here. I can add more targets. So after that I click on play. So you see the magic, it is clicking by itself. You see it? Yes, that is the trick that I use. It is clicking on itself. So guys, if you love this video, let me see thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment on the down below. Okay, let's go like this, and I will upload how to create a PayPal account in Ghana on my next video, so stay tuned. Bye.